If you eat garlic and honey on an empty stomach for 7 days, this is what happens to your body. Garlic is one of the ingredients that are most often used in cuisine around the world. It gives good taste to the food but also is very powerful and can heal many ailments. Consuming it raw can be an amazing and powerful medicine. It helps decreasing cholesterol and high blood pressure. Garlic stops the effects of atherosclerosis and prevents heart attack and coronary heart disease. If you have problems like as flu, bug bites, cold, fungal infection, traveler's diarrhea, you should definitely consider trying garlic. Moreover, garlic can help you manage the symptoms of osteoarthritis, diabetes, and an enlarged prostate. It can improve your immunity and the body's ability to remove toxins. Garlic combined with ginger and onion can aid you detox from chemotherapy. How to use garlic? Generally, we consume some garlic through a daily meal, but the best way to consume garlic is raw. Because allicin, its active ingredient, is decentralized by heat. Before consuming it, crush and slice the clove and leave it for 15 minutes. When you crush the clove, it activates a reaction that makes allicin more bioavailable. Be aware of the fact that it should be eaten on an empty stomach because if the stomach is overwhelmed with food, it has difficulties to process and absorb all the food's nutrients. Raw garlic and honey. Chop 2 to 3 garlic cloves into small pieces. Mix them with a tablespoon of honey. If you take this combination every day, you will feel more energized and healthy. Try eating garlic and honey combination and tell us about your experience in the comment section below. If you like our video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe our channel so you never miss any of our upcoming informative videos like this. Thanks for watching.